Now, to channelize this pran, there must be some kind of channels should be there, right? To flow it. You will say, boss, you can say blood is a pran channel, right? Blood is an oxygen carrier. Somebody said Vayu is a pran. So Vayu is actually part of pran. So pran is basically, do you think pran is a physical phenomena? Anybody? What is pran? What phenomena it must be? Is it a heat? Is it a kind of air? Water? Energy. Excellent. Very good. It is an energy. So pran is an energy. Now this energy doesn't exist in one form. It can be entropy, it can be randomness of the system, it can be moments, it can be ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which are the energy molecules, which gives you 3 phosphate bonds, and then division of this 3 phosphate bond will give you 36 calories of energy for your work. It can also be a flow, but it cannot be created, not be destroyed, definitely, but it can be channelized. It can be channelized, and these channels are known as nothing but nadi. Channels are known as nadi, and there are centers in the body where this energy is trapped. This energy can be activated. What are they known as? They are known as chakra, right? They are known as chakra, because see, for example, if consider a very simple example, okay? Try rubbing your hands. Try this. You'll find that there is some form of energy is generated, right? Some form of energy is generated. But if you try rubbing your forehead, is it the same feeling? Some of you may have kind of 2 seconds of vision loss. Okay? Some of you may have thoughts vanished. So it's a different form of energy. Hands, it is a different form of energy which is generated. Now, this chakra, there are almost 114 chakra are there in our body. 2 are out of the body and 112 are inside the body. Okay, out of which 86 chakra, they are known as micro chakra. So these chakra, micro chakra, they are actually kind of acupuncture point. In our in the Western mythology, where they are giving the acupuncture as a therapy, they are acupuncture points, simply 86 points, because they don't know about the other chakra, right? There are 7 chakra which are main chakra, which are out of which 5 chakras, they are on the vertebral column, and 1 chakra is just in front of our forehead, and another chakra which is at the back primary visual area of your brain, there exist. So there are 7 chakras are there. So these are actually centers, energy centers, where we can actually activate them. We can channelize through our nadis, activate them, and we can get the benefit of increase of pran. This is the base theory, benefit of increase of pran. So for example, consider one by one chakra, and then we will consider nadi. So let's first go for simple nadi. Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. There are 3 nadis out of 72,000 nadis. Main nadis are 3. Okay, Ida, Pingala and Sushumna. Sushumna is considered which is running very close to our vertebral column, right from Mooladhara chakra. I'll tell you, Mooladhara chakra, which is at the sacrum or at the pelvic girdle, below the pelvic girdle exactly, and on pituitary gland, which is situated here, which is also connected or which is represented with the Ajna chakra. Okay. Now Sushumna, which is the center, from the center of the Muladhara chakra to Ajna chakra, it runs, but this Sushumna has one challenge. It doesn't have pran carrying. The pran is carried by Ida and Pingala. These two nadis, they are on the left side and right side. So Ida nadi, which is on the right side, which is connected with kind of heat, solar. Left side, it is a Pingala nadi, which is connected with kind of calmness or moon. Right? But these have pran. Now, what is yoga? It's very simple. Hatha yoga is that from Ida and Pingala, you put this pran into Sushumna so that all chakra get activated. That is a simple definition of Raja Yoga. Okay, but how to do it? You will tell, boss, you are telling me lot of theory. How to do it? Okay, the very first example, which I told you about, Isela Raju, correct? See, the way in which he spoke, okay, it means that he has no fear. Now, no fear is connected with your Muladhara chakra, which is at the near the sacrum. This Muladhara chakra, you will find that it will be activated when you have Ashwini Mudra. When you do Ashwini Mudra, that is actually pulling of your anal and genital openings and make them innervate in such a way and lock them in such a way that your pran will enter into Sushumna. That makes a person more and more a kind of healthy and with strength. But that also take out the fear. That is what is actually happen when you are very much tense or you have immediate tension in your life. You will find that your anal opening will get contracted. This is very simple. You try to jump into the swimming pool from 16 feet, and first time it happened that your anal opening will get contracted. Why? It's very simple. To make you fearless, to make you away from fear, right? Similarly, it is connected with the genital as well as your own safety by yourself. Of course, it is connected to all chakra. Now, you will find when you will analyze yourself, which chakra is activated and which chakra is not activated, you can definitely find yourself. Very simple. Okay. So, for example, if the person has some urinary trouble, a kind of a piles, his Swadhisthana chakra, which is just above the genital and below the navel 2 inches, is not activated, right? Swadhisthana chakra. And you will find that if it is not activated, generally if you do specifically, say for example Ushtrasan, or you do Malasan, or you do for example the Bhujangasana, in that generally Swadhisthana chakra gets activated, right? So above that there is a Manipur chakra, and which is just near the navel opening. So this Manipur chakra is completely connected with the digestion, right? So if the person has a digestion problem, the person doesn't have good Manipur chakra pran. So okay, the person should go for digestion asanas. For the sun salutation, specifically should do kind of Padahastasana, right? And he or she should do kind of Chakrasana, Pavan Muktasana. Person should do also the Skandarasana or Setubandhasana. So the Yogasana is one of the way to activate chakra, right? I'll come to Vayu definitely, but let's see what are the in a Pranmaya Kosha, which contains Vayu, which contains chakra, and which contains nadi. These 3 things are there. Okay, out of which we are just seeing chakra. So when our Manipur chakra is not activated, At that point of time, the person doesn't have good digestion, right? Then